I got a video tour today of a home up here in Washington Terrace, and a little bit premature maybe in taking this video just because there's still some final touches going on, but I wanted to showcase this beautiful home that's been really extensively remodeled. All of the bricks been painted, siding's been painted. It's a nice white color, of course, with black trim. The roof on it looks really good. Some custom-made shutters I think look really great. Some good parking here underneath the carport and also where this van is. So there's kind of some RV parking or some secondary parking for the use of the accessory apartment in this home. Okay. Wanted to look at the backyard as well. We've got some good storage sheds. So there's no garage, but there's probably at least a 2-car garage full of sheds, you know, storage, and then nice backyard, some additional concrete, and then I love this back patio here. Looks really sharp. So again, today and tomorrow, the contractor's getting this cleaned up and finished, and so when you come see this home, this stuff will all be out of here. But again, wanted to showcase the home for you. Super nice entry here into this big front room. It's actually quite a large front room, and big picture windows there. New LED lights throughout the house, beautiful white paint, and then of course I really like the color they chose for the flooring here. There's a look back at the entryway. Just a really nice front room. Okay, this is exciting. They put in a brand new kitchen. Again, couple final touches, but brand new cabinets, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances. The dishwasher and the range are new, okay, brand new. And I just think it turned out amazing. Tile flooring. There's a lot of grays coming out of that tile flooring. Really looks nice with the kitchen countertop or the kitchen cabinets. Okay, 2 bedrooms up. So we have this larger bedroom here, and again more windows. The windows have been updated on this home. They're a vinyl window, and 2 windows in this bedroom. So I really like all the natural light in this upper level. Now, brand new bathroom. So new tub, beautiful tile surround that was just installed, pedestal sink, and new toilet, and kind of some nice shelf space there. They're just working on final cleaning and working on some paint touch up, working on you know, changing out all the outlets and switches and face plates. So it's all looking really, really sharp. Now, this door closes, obviously. There's a back door, and so this could be used potentially as an accessory apartment. Now, we're not advertising this as a legal accessory apartment or a recognized accessory apartment by the city, but with the new legislation coming to pass here in October, I believe, it does make it a lot more simple for a homeowner to get the accessory apartment ADU status with the city. You have to have the off-street parking, which this home does, and it does have the separate entrance. Okay, so this is set up really nicely to be able to have 2 separate units. The upstairs is separated from the downstairs. I love what they did here. So this is the entrance to the apartment. So there's a door obviously that closes here, and they have there's a laundry room. So you come down the stairs here, so the upstairs and the downstairs will be able to share this common area laundry. And there's definitely room in there to get you know, a regular size washer and dryer down that hall and in place there. This kitchen is new as well. New cabinets, countertops, new appliances. Got some decent countertop space, and kind of some nice shelves there as as a pantry or to put appliances on, that kind of thing. That door right there goes into the mechanical room. You actually would access the water heater, which I believe is a 50-gallon water heater, and the furnace you would access on the other side. There's a stove here that is functional as far as we know. That would be up to the buyer to determine. And then a family room. This is the furnace right here. There's actually central air. Feels really good in here today. It's about 100 degrees outside. Got a nice Trane furnace and central air conditioning. So that's a really nice bonus. You got the first bedroom down here. New carpet, if I didn't showcase that already. And second bedroom here. Nice closets in both bedrooms. And then this bathroom has been painted. The toilet is newer, vanity's in okay shape, and then you've got a shower here. So it's a 3/4 bathroom. So the home in total has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 family rooms, 2 kitchens, common area laundry, plenty of off-street parking, nice yard. Very, very nice project. And I don't think you're going to find anything like this for this price range. Being able to rent the basement, if you choose to do that, could really offset your mortgage considerably. So come take a look at it in person. Call your agent, have them schedule a time with us, and we'd be happy to accommodate a showing. Thanks for taking a look.